Understanding employee compensation insurance, what you need to know. Welcome to StockRhino. Employees are the backbone of every business. But workplace accidents can happen anytime, and employers are legally responsible for compensating injured workers. That's where employee compensation insurance steps in. In this video, we'll explain what it is, how it works, who needs it, what it covers, exclusions, and why it's mandatory for many businesses in India. What is employee compensation insurance? Employee compensation insurance, earlier known as workman compensation insurance, is a policy that protects employers from financial and legal liabilities if an employee is injured, disabled, or dies due to an accident at work. It covers medical expenses, disability payouts, and legal compensation under the Employee Compensation Act, 1923. Why is it important? Workplace accidents can lead to large compensation claims, especially in industries like construction, logistics, and manufacturing. Without insurance, employers must pay out of pocket, sometimes lakhs or even crores for treatment, loss of income, and dependence compensation. This policy protects both employer and employee, ensuring financial security in tough times. Legal requirement. Under Indian law, it's mandatory for all employers, especially in factories, construction, and hazardous occupations, to compensate employees for work-related injuries or deaths. Having employee compensation insurance ensures you comply with the law and avoid legal penalties. Coverage. The policy covers death of employee compensation to dependents as per statutory limits, permanent total disability lump sum payout based on loss of earning capacity, permanent partial disability compensation based on extent of disability. Additional optional covers. Some insurers offer extra benefits like accidental medical expenses extension, occupational disease coverage, terrorism risk cover. Example scenario. Example, a factory worker slips and fractures his leg. He cannot work for 2 months. The employee compensation insurance covers his medical bills, and loss of wages during recovery. In case of a permanent disability or death, the insurer pays compensation to the employee or their family based on law. Exclusions. The policy does not cover injuries due to self-inflicted harm or intoxication, accidents outside employment or non-work hours, liability to people not classified as employees. Claim process. Filing a claim is simple. 1. Report the accident immediately to the insurer. 2. Provide medical reports, wage details, and accident form. 3. The insurer appoints a surveyor to verify facts. Premium factors. Premiums depend on number of employees covered, type of work. Riskier industries like construction pay more, annual wages paid. Benefits. Benefits of employee compensation insurance. Legal compliance with Indian labor laws, who should buy. Financial protection for both employer and employee. Quick compensation during unforeseen accidents. Who should buy? It's ideal for manufacturing units and factories, construction contractors, logistics, warehousing, and transport companies. Smart tips. Smart tips. Maintain accurate employee records. Ensure workplace safety and regular training. Cover temporary, contractual, and subcontracted workers too. Want to learn more? Visit our website.